Hey guys, so yeah, this morning I'm working on my teacup fairy garden. I'm going to do a Valentine's Day type of theme. Even though I'm not using real plants, I'm still putting dirt in the cup because I'm going to need something to anchor these fake succulents down into the cup. So if you want to follow along and make your own, what you're going to need is a teacup. You could use a vintage type of teacup. I just got that at Home Goods. You're going to need some little figurines, fake succulents, and aquarium gravel. Since I want to make this fairy garden a Valentine's Day theme, what I'm doing is trying to create a romantic little scene. So I took some of the aquarium gravel and I made that look like water. And what I'm going to do is put the bridge right over top. Okay, so the next thing I did was I took a little bowl of moss and I wet it. It's easier to work with that way. I put it around my so-called river, and now I'm going to start decorating with the succulents and my little figurines. Okay guys, I just put the bridge in it and look how cute it looks already. It looks like a little fairy tale environment. It's so adorable. I'm gonna end up putting a swan in here, and then I'm gonna work with what I have and see if I can fit at least one succulent in there. Okay, so here's what I ended up doing. I cut down these succulents here so they would fit. I added an Eiffel Tower because what is more romantic than Paris, and I threw in some rose petals.